Hi there, I'm going to give a quick administrator overview on Zoho reports. So a few things that I'll be going over today is what Zoho is, as well as what it does, how to log into the platform, the basic layout, how the information in Zoho gets updated, as well as how to contact Zoho reports for any help. So before I jump into the demo, I'm going to give a brief overview about what Zoho is. So Zoho is a third-party reporting tool that integrates with Extended Reach to create custom charts, graphs, and tables for reporting using Extended Reach data. These reports are created by an administrator with one user ID, and the reports created can be shared to their agency via Extended Reach from the Custom tab on the side menu. These reports are updated automatically from Extended Reach, and all users at an agency can view the report at any time. So now that we have a quick understanding of what Zoho Reports is, let's jump into the demo. So there are two ways that you can log into Zoho. The first being, starting through Extended Reach, you go to your organization settings and you scroll all the way down to where it says Zoho Administration. From there, if you click that button, a pop-up will appear with your password, and when you press OK, it will automatically redirect you to the Zoho site where you can log in from there. Or you can do the old-fashioned way, going to reports.zoho.com and use your designated Extended Reach user ID and password to log into the report system. I briefly mentioned in the Zoho overview that any reports that you create can be added to this custom tab. To access that, you just go to this custom tab here, and you can click on any report that has been added to this custom tab via the organization settings, organization preferences. For example, I just click on this sample dashboard, and as you can see, this URL is redirecting me to the Zoho report that was added. For more information on how to add these reports to the custom tab, check out our user guide for how to publish Zoho report back to Extended Reach. So once you've logged into Zoho, this is what your main layout will look like. Notice that you have two different tabs here called My Databases and Shared Databases. To get started, you're going to click on the Shared Databases, and from there this is going to list all of the databases that you have. You may have one, you may have several. Whichever it is, this is how you're going to access this Extended Reach data. So from here, just click on the database, and this will bring you to the main view. When you're in this main view, you'll notice that you have two folders. You have the Extended Reach Data folder and the Custom Reports folder. The Extended Reach Data folder holds all of the tables that are being pulled from Extended Reach. So for example, all case information is under cases, all staff information is under the staff table, any placement information for the cases are under placements, and so on and so forth. The tables are respectively named after their contents. So medications would have medication detail, homes would have home details, etc. The Custom Reports tab is going to be your default folder for any reports that you have created. As you can see, there are already two reports in here. It's your default folder as it is signified by this star icon. To create a new folder, you can always click on this plus sign, or you can go to this Create New button and press New Folder. Let's take a look inside of one of these Extended Reach data tables. So for example, I'll open the Cases table. And this is going to take a second to load, but it will pull all of the information for the cases. So this will pull gender, ER case ID, names, siblings, just a bunch of different information. And if I scroll all the way over, there are two important columns to take note. Note that you can always search for the column in this search bar as well. So these columns are going to be all the way to the right. And the first date that is really important to take note of is this export date. And this will tell you when the information was last updated from Extended Reach. So if these dates are not in line with the actual day or are a few days off, you might want to go in and manually sync the information in Extended Reach, or you can contact us at support@extendedreach.com if there has any further troubleshooting that needs to occur. If you scroll a little bit further, you can see this URL, and if you click on this, it'll bring you to that case. Fancy, huh? So, as I briefly have mentioned a few times, Zoho gets its information from Extended Reach, which is updated automatically every night, and this time frame ranges from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Either way, this information is getting updated every single day. If for whatever reason the export date, which is right here, is not aligned with the actual day that you are using Zoho, or it's just off, you can go back into your Extended Reach database, go to Organization Settings, Organization Preferences, and click this Send Data to Zoho Now button. It'll tell you that the sync has started. You press OK, and then it'll tell you that the upload is in process. Once it's finished, it will give you a timestamp. If any errors do appear here and it does not present a timestamp for you, you can contact us at support@extendedreach.com. So let's jump back into Zoho. I'll close out this table. And from here, let's do a quick overview on how to build your first report. So whether you want to create a chart or a graph or a table or a query table, you can click on this green Create New button and you can select either of these options. So for example, I will create a new chart. So from here, you'll see that I have several different views that I can choose from. I have a chart view, pivot view, summary view, tabular view. The chart view will just give you some charts. For example, a bar chart, a funnel chart, line chart, scatter chart. There are over 12 different charts to choose from and variations of these charts. A pivot view is going to be your go-to for table building, similar to Excel. Summary view is just a very simple version of the pivot view. You just have 2 columns and you can summarize your data that way. So let's go to chart view, and here it's going to ask me to select a base table. So from here I can choose from any of these tables, which you can see line up on this side as well. They're actually identical. So whichever table I choose is the table that is going to pull all of this information from. I press OK, and you'll see on this left hand side that it has populated all of the fields in that case table. Zoho has a simple drag and drop method that they use. So for example, if I want to just do program, I can just drag and drop it over there, click on this green click here to generate graph button, and it'll generate my graph for me. All of the tables within Zoho are linked with each other. For example, you can tell here that my cases table is linked to my homes table, my case relationships tables, my placements tables. So you can see that these are linked because they are all showing up when I have this cases selected as my base tables. Since these tables are linked, I can open up another different table. If I say want to pull home information rather than this case information, I can drag and drop and add fields from the home table as well. To check to see if these tables are linked, just click on this model diagram button. You can zoom out. And when you highlight over this table, it'll show all of the related tables that are connected to it by color code. You can see that this parent node is the green, the current node is the blue, and the child node is the orange. Highlighting these shows their relationship between each other. If you have any questions or want to learn a little bit more about Zoho, they do have webinars that are going on all the time. You can also check out their help button right here, which is this question mark button. Click on that and they have great documentation, FAQ, they have live chat, and they also have a great support team that you can send emails to or can call you. So just a quick overview, Zoho is a third-party reporting tool that integrates with Extended Reach to create custom charts, graphs, tables, and more for reporting using the Extended Reach data. Note that there is only one Zoho login per agency, as this is not designed for all staff to create reports. However, you can create reports and share with the staff through that custom tab in Extended Reach. You can log into Zoho using Extended Reach or through Zoho Reports. The tables included on that sidebar pull information from Extended Reach, and all of that information is updated every night automatically for you, or you can update that information manually from the Extended Reach organization preferences. If you run into any issues or have any questions about using Zoho, you can click on that question mark icon to contact their support team, view their help guides, or check out any webinars that they have going on. Thanks for taking the time to learn a little bit more about Zoho. For more information, check out zoho.com, and happy report building.